Okay, I hate to have the last video before Christmas be a Mike is an idiot video, but that's unfortunately where I am. I'm going to go over the calls from today and illustrate pretty clearly, Mike being me by the way, that Mike was an idiot today. And hopefully some of you have had days like this and you know what I mean, and the rest of you can just laugh at me. Red Hat, one of our members pointed this out. These are 5-minute candles. When it looked like this, I said I really liked it over this base. Actually, it looked like, well, it was starting to head up around 40.80. I said I liked it over this candle here at 40.86. Worst case stop, 40.69. So 17 cents risk. Put out the call, and pretty quickly it triggered, and then it did what I was hoping it would do. Got through the high of the day. So I got about 20 cents off the table on some, and then it put in this little flag pattern. I thought it was going to go higher, so I moved my stop up below this flag pattern here and got trail stopped on the rest right there. And then look what happens. And so maybe playing my stops too tight. I knew it was going to be a low volume day today, so just playing everything tight. But the market's still open for 45 minutes, and now it's up at 41.40. So there was, and that was my best trade of the day, I think. Let's go over the rest of them here. Let's see, where do we go? DMND. I called this on an entry in the around 29.20, something like that, right in here, somewhere like right about here. And then it pops up to 29.73. I'm literally up 50 cents in the thing and just got complacent and figured, hey, this might get through the high of the day and be the trade of the century. And I never, here's a double negative, poor English for you, I never don't take profits on a 50-cent move. I realize that's poor English. But anyway, didn't sell any, just got complacent. Look, and before I know it, you get this big volume push down. I take a full position stop out in Diamond Foods when I was up 50 cents. Now, that's everything I teach people not to do. And the reason I did it, well, never mind, I can't answer you. I really don't know why. A1, AONE, early in the morning I said, and I'm just trying to go over all the calls, 177 could get you a nice pop, and it looks like, and I left for the day a little while ago because I thought the afternoon would be dead. It only went to 181, but that was a no trade for me. Let's see, JEF. JEF has been very strong lately, had this nice pop and then lower highs, and so it was interesting. I was watching it on an intraday basis, and it looked like this about. I said, you know what, up at 1406, I wanted it to be cleanly above the base. I thought it might get a move to and through the high of the day, and then it could have just gone crazy with that recent action. Okay, so 1406, 1399 stop. I did take this trade, ready? There's the trigger. And 10 minutes later, I'm stopped out. Now, it was only 7 cents risk, but you'll notice a theme here, the ones I take and the ones I didn't take. Let's see what else we have. And then late in the day, well, here, JNY on this spike right here met our parameters, and I showed everybody that the trigger would be 988. This looks like chasing, but it's a special kind of one of our trades, and a stop at 977. I don't just take any breakout, okay? But this one really did meet the parameters, and this one I passed on, okay? 988, and I was projecting it live. 977 stop. I talked myself out of it, and that was, really nice trade there. 1042 right now. So there's another Mike's an idiot trade, or lack thereof. Okay, then late in the day, I say late in the day, I mean in the afternoon. You guys know I like bottom feeding. Citigroup, I called right over this little candle here, 27.19 for our chat room. Worst case stop, 27.10. Okay, it goes up to 27.22, something like that. Comes back down, and I just killed it flat. Now this wasn't huge, but it held the stop, and from 27.19 made it to 27.40. Still could have been some nice little pre-Christmas money, and may go higher. I don't know. Same thing with Abercrombie and Fitch. I called it over this little candle here, 48.13, a stop about a dime below. Okay, here's the entry, here's the stop. This one I scalped a little bit and then killed the rest flat, and now not a huge move, but still it's up at 48.30 now, so I could have done better there too. Pretty sure there's other examples of me being an idiot. Oh, here it is, Finisar, FNSR. This one I passed on. I called it a 1651, 1630 stop right here, and I passed on it, and it ended up going up 40 cents. So there you go. You ever have a day where everything you touch doesn't work and everything you don't touch does work? and so on. So I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. There'll be better days. I'm really, really looking forward to 2012. Our chat room's getting better and better and better. So many people in there know what to scan for now. People ask me, well, what scanner do you use? I say, man, just go ahead and use the chat room as a scanner. There's so many people in here scanning that know our setups. It's just a great way to trade in a group. But looking forward to the new year. Hate to end before Christmas on a note like this, but nobody's fault but mine. Anyway, have a great weekend. Have a Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you Tuesday.